Hey, if you want to fix that 10 seconds always on display on POCO X8 Pro, just like this, as you can see, we cannot just switch this. Well, we can actually fix this, but only by using some external applications from the Google Play Store. So if you input here always on display phrase, you can find a lot of different applications that will allow you to do that. I can recommend you, for example, this one, always on AMOLED. There's pretty good rating for this reviews and also over 10 million downloads. When you open this application for the first time, you will have to accept some things. That's actually quite obvious. We have to also wait for the loading screen and make sure that you will be connected into the Wi-Fi network. Now, if you don't want to pay for this, you can just click here, click accept as terms of use, go here, and we have to grant all of those permissions. So here from display over other apps, of course, we have to select this application. Now we have to go back, do this second one, in order to get access into the notifications. We have to just select this. After the 10 seconds disappear, we have to click OK. So just be patient and wait for it. There we go. And the last one will be for app usage date. Go for it, enable. Now also click here that you are aware of the possible risks, and just click OK to get this tracked device usage. Now we can finally go back, and as you can see, we have just enabled everything. So now we have to click on this arrow. Of course, sometimes we'll get some kind of the ads. Now we can also get this permissions for notifications to view them on the screen. And here, as you can see, you can pick almost any theme that you want, because all of those stars are actually paid. So if you don't want to pay for it, you can pick, for example, this one, and you can go for the settings to select when to show always on display, when the screen will turn off, when you pick up the phone, wake over the screen. So we can actually just customize it. I just show you that you can change style and also some other things. There's a lot of options that you can customize, but now take a look. If we lock the screen, we should actually get the always on display here, and it will be for more than only 10 seconds as default. So really useful. It's pretty minimalist, and if you get some more advanced, then you can of course find some applications in the Play Store with some other AOD styles.